The number one strategy for financial retirement is real estate. Real estate stands as the easiest pathway to achieving $1 million net worth and in assessing $1 million liquid, offering unparalleled opportunities for wealth creation through strategic investment and property ownership. Now, how owning real estate expedites your retirement. Y'all ready for this? 1, income stability. What do you think your 401k or your retirement fund's gonna look like if you make it to retirement? What is your tax benefits from a tax standpoint? Look, if you're chasing a tax refund every year, you're not going to be in that same position by the time you're 40 and 50 and 60. If you're chasing a tax refund, that means you're not positioning yourself to grow from a financial standpoint. Like Ty just said, she don't even pay taxes because she understands the benefit of depreciating her asset. Real estate offers various tax advantages, including deduction for mortgage interest, property taxes, depreciation, and operating expense. You can also borrow against your properties tax-free. Real estate also gives you long-term appreciation. Real estate has historically appreciated in value over long-term, providing investors with potential capital appreciation. This can increase the value of the investment portfolio and contribute to wealth. And then the most important is hedging inflation. Real estate serves as a hedge against inflation. With the increase of property values and rental income tends to increase with inflation. This helps protect the purchasing power of retirement savings accounts, ensuring a comfortable standard of living at retirement. That right there, to sum it up, real estate helps to ensure a comfortable standard of living. Look, I know a lot of you think you're probably going to hit the lottery, meet a sugar mama, sugar daddy, or whatever the case may be. But for the other 99% of the people, what is your game plan?